Good morning, student. Today I teach chapter 7 test, measurement and evaluation. My student, what is test, what is measurement and evaluation? Okay. So first define the test. Test is the presentation of a situation or a series of situations which being out a specific response or answer from the subject. Now, otherwise, a test is a procedure to check the quality, performance, or reliability of something. Okay. Now, test means the in specific terms, test is an instrument or tools used to obtain data on a specific traits, characters of an individual or group. Okay. This is the definition of test. Some scientists given the different ways for the test. Webster's dictionary. A test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacities of an individual or group. According to H.M. Barrow and Maggie, test refers to any specific instrument, procedure, or technique used by an administrators to elicit a response from test taker. Okay. Now some other ways like this is the definition of the test. Okay. Now test is the it made up from of scale, measuring tape, thermometer, etc. Test is the required for all measurement. A good test should measure the quality for which it is to be used. It should be simple, accurate, and easy to administer. Okay. Now measurement. Measurement is the definition of measurement. Measurement is the use of tests and techniques to collect information or data about a specific skill or fitness level of an individual. Some author says, according to Barry Johnson and Jack Nelson, measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in collection of data. Okay. Now the measurement they give another way. It is an aid to evaluate. It consists of numerical values or scientific scores by experts and also known as RAI score. Okay, this is the definition of measurement. Okay, now next one is the evaluation. An evaluation is an assessment as systematic and impartial as possible of an activity, project, a program, strategy, policy, topic, theme, okay, sec, or operational area in institutional performance. Okay, like this, you can do the some sector. They can do now operational area. You can do the performance for our operational area, institutional performance. Your academic performance, okay, your activity, your project, the measure for the evaluate the people or group or person. Okay. Another ways, test and measurement are the prerequisites prerequisites for evaluation. The evaluation tests the worth or progress of individual or group. It is basically for the subjective judgment based upon interpretation or analysis of data score gained from the test. Like this, evaluate this, the test and measurement you can evaluate for the those things. Okay. Now some importance of the test and measurement and evaluation like this. First is the classification of a sports person. Okay. First is the classification of a sports person. And second is selection of a sports person. Testing of training and effect. Third is fourth is the individualization of training program. Motivation of a sports person. Okay. fifth is motivation of sports person to achieve goals or target. Okay, to study of sports person, to prepare student standard or norms. Okay, to predict performance potential, to compare and evaluate, to conduct, and last one to conduct research work. These 11 things for the importance. Now student, next for the body mass index. Body mass index may like called for the BMI. This is the formula for body mass index. BMI stands for body mass index. This formula and index was formulated by Belgian Quetelet. This fitness testing is used to measure body composition on the basis of weight and height. Okay. Now this is the formula. BMI is equal to weight upon height into height. This is the body mass index. Next is this hip, waist and hip ratio. Okay. Now waist and hip ratio means this is the called the WHR. This is hip and hip to hip ratio, waist to hip ratio. Okay. This is the ratio of circumference of waist to that of the hip. Okay. This is WHR called WRHR. Okay. Now next topic is this chapter 4 somatotypes. Somatotypes is the next topic is the somatotypes. Next is the somatotypes. Okay. These are three types of the somatotype. This is the somatotypes. Okay. Types. This is the somatotypes. Okay. It is the classification of human body according on its shape and physics. It was developed by W.S. Sheldon. He is the developed by, this is the classified for the shape and size. He is the developed by the W.S. Sheldon. W.H. Sheldon. Okay. S-H-E and Sheldon. Okay. D-O-N. He is developed the W.H. Sheldon. He classified the human body in terms three extreme body types. First is three types. Sheldon developed the three types. Okay. First is the endomorphic. Second is the mesomorphic. Okay. Third is ectomorphic. Okay. These three types of the body types for the. Now student, you can define for the endomorphic person. An endomorphic person is generally stocky with large round body or pear-shaped body, short thick neck, short arms and legs, wide hips and shoulders, wider front rather than side to side, lot of fat in body and tendency of body to store fat. This is the endomorphic person, is the fatty person. This short height person. Okay. This is small shoulders. Okay. This is the large round body, purple shaped body, short thick neck, short arms and legs, wide hips and shoulder, wider front rather than side to side, lot of fat on body, tendency of body to store fat, endomorphs that properly on physical fitness level and so make poor athlete. They are the poor athletes. Okay, this is the called endomorph. They are fatty person. Okay. Now next one is the modif. Okay. Now next is the mesomorphic. Mesomorphic personhood is strongly built with broad muscular chest and shoulder, very muscular arms and legs, and little body fat, They are medium in height, narrow hips, narrow from back, then side to side. They are good in strength, speed and agility, cognitive ability. They have average endurance and flexibility. This is the fit person, like the muscular person, muscular arms, muscular leg, little body fat. Okay. Now next is the ectomorphic. Ectomorphic. This one the ectomorphic. Ectomorphic individual is long, slender, and thin, high forehead, recording chin, narrow shoulders and hips, narrow chest, abdomen, thin arms and legs, little are for lean muscles and very low fat. They have less strength, perhaps not suitable for strong activities. Ectomorphs dominate in endurance and flexibility. This is the first is the endomorphic is the fatty person. Second is now normal waist. Second is mesomorphic is the strong person and good shape in body, and ectomorphic is the thin person. Okay, this is the somatotypes. This is given by the three somatotypes W.S. Sheldon and developed three types endomorphic, mesomorphic. Okay, student, this today's topic. By next Google Meet class, you can so many other ways for the this define the endomorphic and mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Okay, have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Okay, student. Bye bye.